What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully everyone's having a fantastic day. In this video, we are going to be breaking down the two trade signal alerts sent out to the team, to the group today, US30 and NAS100. Nice way, absolutely nice way to start the week. I'm going to talk about how you really should be trading these, how you should be trading US30, how you should be trading NAS100 in this video. Awesome day today with profit. We did $31,000 today between NAS100 and US30, both of which I got stopped out for profit, right? I got stopped out for profit, left a lot of money on the table. So with that being said, let's dive into this video. I apologize, I haven't made a video for you guys in a long time. I've just been really busy. So the very first signal today was NAS100. I like to be very transparent, very transparent with showing you guys inside the Telegram, showing you the signal, the alert, showing you the chart so you have an idea of what I want to see it do, showing you guys the take profit levels, showing you guys the stop loss, telling you guys how much you really should be risking per trade, right? Obviously, you could risk less, you could risk more, but this is a good rule of thumb. Very first signal, very first alert today was NAS100. Basically told the group looking to buy it at 17,459.55. With this one, basically looking for it to hold this support level, have a nice push to the highs right here, basically squeeze past that. That was NAS100. US30, very similar. US30, I was basically looking for, we were basically holding our zone. We had this resistance area, right? I want to basically see it push over all these highs. This is what I wanted to see with US30, dirty 30. Now, US30, obviously market open. She immediately squeezed up and hit, right? She hit take profit 1, broke that area, but then she was basically like lingering around this like take profit 2 area, quite couldn't get to take profit 3, but when she pulled back, that's basically when I got stopped out for my profit, and then sure thing, that's when she pushed up afterwards. Basically, NAS100 started off really rocky, but then that one, NAS100 ended up squeezing then, right? So this one never even came close to our stop loss. She did pull back a little bit, but then once she basically pushed back up towards our entry, take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. So awesome day with NAS100, US30. Again, the thing with trading is that people think that they're going to capture these big monster moves day in and day out, and that's not the case. I don't flash anywhere that says I have a 100% win rate. My win rate probably would be, I would like to say it's 85%. Some people might say it's less, some people might say it's more. But I am green and profitable more than a lot of other Forex traders out there, signal groups, right? Because I have a keen eye for the market. I know how to trade, right? So I can never fathom and understand why someone would ever let a winning trade become a losing trade. Now, I'm not gonna throw shade on people. I'm not in the business. I'm not in the business of basically starting beef, starting drama, trying to throw shade on people's names. But there are other Forex traders I've seen in the past on Twitter, Instagram, YouTube that will be in profit, right? They'll have a winning trade, right? So like let's say like this pink line is their entry, and then maybe the trade is up here, and it's floating 5, 6, 7 grand, and then maybe their stop loss is down here somewhere, but like they'll let the trade be up with profit, right? They see profit, but then the winning trade becomes a losing trade. And then like they get stopped out. And it's like, well, why would you do that? Right? I'm not a big fan of the Fast and Furious movies. I never really cared for that, right? But the best quote Vin Diesel ever said in that movie that I love is winning is winning. It doesn't matter, right? If it's an inch, mile, quarter, whatever. Winning is winning. So if I can come every single day to the market, and even I'm looking for take profit 3, but if I get stopped out, right? If I come every day and I get stopped out for take profit 1, but that's still a win, right? It's still a win. Now, really what people should be doing is every time you get into these trades, whether it's NAS100 or US30, both these motherfuckers took off running today, right? So very first thing is don't beat yourself up about it, right? US30 pushed up towards take profit 3, a little bit past that, and then she basically came down, and look, it basically held that previous, basically zone level before she pushed up again and then squeezed up. Same thing with basically NAS100. NAS100, right? Basically held that beautiful zone area, and then took off running today. Not a lot of people are going to be beating their head up saying, oh man, I got stopped out for take profit 1, I got stopped out for take profit 2, I closed the trade at take profit 3, and look how much money I left on the table. That's going to happen day in and day out. Forget about it. Fuck it. Don't worry about it, right? What you need to be doing is every time the trade goes in your favor, guys, every time the trade goes in your favor, you should be adjusting your stop loss to at least break even. Even if you adjust your stop loss to slightly above break even, let's say you adjust it to $20. Let's say, okay, you adjust it to just $20 above your entry, and let's say the trade's up 150 bucks and it pulls back and you get stopped out for 20 bucks. Well, dude, 20 bucks is still 20 bucks. Like, I don't give a fuck. If you any of you guys, anybody listening to this video right now, any of you guys watching this video, the minute you get done watching this video, if you walk outside, let's say you walk down the sidewalk and you see a $20 bill on the ground, I guarantee you, you will be like happy. You'll get like wiener hard and get excited and be like, oh my God, 20 bucks. I'm going to pick it up. It doesn't matter if you're a millionaire. You could be a fucking millionaire. You could have $500,000 in your bank account right now. Shit, you could have $10,000 in your pocket. The minute you see that $20 bill, you're going to be like, hell yeah, $20, my lucky fucking day. So my point is that why wouldn't you, like, even if you adjust your stop loss to like $20 above break even, like that's still better than letting the trade go against you and become a negative $200. You see what I'm saying? So this is basically where my brain, this is like how my brain is wired with trading and just in life, day in and day out. And really, I hope it helps and educates people, because ultimately that's what I want. So nonetheless, that's it for this YouTube video. Don't know what the future holds with this YouTube channel. I've been really contemplating starting a brand new YouTube channel because I think YouTube's algorithm just completely fucked my YouTube channel, which I don't get subscribers no more. I don't really get views no more. So I think they basically shadow banned me. I'm not sure. I might have to start a new YouTube channel. But if I start a new YouTube channel, you guys best believe that I'm going to be basically going live on that motherfucker a couple times a week with like voice commentary. Yeah. So don't know what the future holds. Leave a comment below on what you guys think of the video. Subscribe to the channel. Comment. Let me know what you guys think. Hopefully you guys like the video. Hopefully it helps and educates you guys. Remember, guys, nobody goes broke taking profits. Let's have a solid 2024. Peace, love, and cheers.